everyone, it is Nancy Ann, and today we are going to unbox BarkBox with Ruger, and I'm going to give you an update and a story on Walker. I thought that combined with today's BarkBox unboxing, I would tell a little bit of an update and story on Walker, because several people have mentioned and asked about him in my videos where I say that he has gone to live with our daughter. When we got him, he was in a situation where he needed to be adopted, and Ruger was having problems with separation anxiety. So we brought Walker on board to try and help Ruger. We had anxiety medication for Ruger, but it really drugged him up. And we wanted to get him off the meds if we could, and we could help Walker at the same time. Well, he came to live with us, and he was a little more dog than we really felt like we could handle. Very high energy dog. He did settle down a little bit over time, but we were always wondering if maybe we weren't exactly the best fit for him, although we loved him very much, and he really endeared himself to us, and he loved us as well. But my daughter Alex met him when we'd only had him maybe a week or two. I knew she would love him, and she did. What surprised me was how much he loved her. You could kind of tell she was his person. And she said, someday I'm going to get him, but her apartment complex wouldn't allow his breed of Staffordshire Bull Terrier. Well, she lives in Lexington, Kentucky alone. She's about 3 hours south of us. And she was really having some problems with loneliness and feeling sad, particularly on her days off. And she was seeing a counselor who thought having a dog would be good for her. And she said, I will get a dog, but I really want my mom and dad's dog. My apartment complex won't let me have this breed of dog. So the counselor said she could write her an emotional support animal, an ESA form, and that would override what the apartment would allow him to stay in the apartment complex. So she did that, and the apartment complex people have met him, and they think he's just fabulous. And that little dog has blessed her life so much. She just sent us a text last night and said, you know, if you talk to his former owners, please tell them that he's really loved and he's happy and he's having so much fun. And she always thanks me, Mom, thank you so much for letting me have him. So Walker also, additional benefit, Ruger, since he left, we've been able to leave him alone for hours at a time without separation anxiety medication. So that one crazy spastic, he was just a nutty dog. He has been a blessing, and we are just so grateful that he came into our life and that he's helping our daughter. I mean, this just couldn't be any better. He improved lives, and he's a crazy little guy, but he's not crazy with her. He's calmed down quite a bit. I think he needed to be an only dog. He's living beautifully in an apartment, and she takes him everywhere on her days off. So she sent videos of him at the dog park, and that dog is having a blast, and she is really, really happy, and he's helped her feel a lot better. So that's what happened with Walker. He's in good hands, and we were good with him. She's excellent. This is the best possible situation. He is a happy little guy. Okay, now we're gonna open our BarkBox. Ruger, come here. Ruger is sleeping over there. Come on, buddy, you wanna open a BarkBox? Come on, I've got a BarkBox for you. Ruger. Oh, here we come. Hi, bud, do you wanna do your BarkBox? Now, the last time it was a super chewer, but they got it changed and it should be soft treats. Let's see how this goes. Ruger, what do we have? Oh, are the lips licking? This is the Madagascar Unleashed, but this time we're gonna have soft toys. So this is what the box looks like inside. And Ruger, let's start with the treats this time. Okay, we'll save those toys for last. What do we have? Let me grab my glasses. I put them over there. Okay. We've got Wakey Loops bacon and cheese recipe. This is a crunchy treat. They're small. The #1 ingredient is USA bacon, crunchy biscuits, perfect size for training, and there's real cheese. Do you want some? Would you like it? Want a cheese biscuit? Okay, let's get it. They send plenty of treats for one dog, don't they, buddy? We're just going to do one because he just ate egg and oatmeal. So I think you ready? Here, can you shake? Thank you. Are those good? Let me see. I love the ingredients. What's it smell like? Oh, wow. I can smell bacon and cheese. Can't open it without giving you another one, can I? What can you do for me? Can you give me another shake? Oh, thank you. Nice to meet you. All righty. And how to BarkBox. Oh, this is cute. I've never seen this. It's like a little cartoon of different of how to handle a BarkBox. In the backs it says, when's the next party? Dig into past BarkBoxes, spread the love. So there's all sorts of fun things. That's cute. I'll read that later. Okay, Ruger, what's this next bag of treats? We've got Baba Jerky Nibbles, lamb recipe. Should we see what's in there? I'll let you have one. I know. Isn't it so yummy? All right. Ooh, and so that's what the treat looks like. Like a little jerky stick. All right, sit. Up, up, up. Oh, good boy. That was really good. Oh, boy. Those are a little chewy. I think he dropped some. So this one says the premium jerky for your dog. Your dog's been begging for. Farm-raised lamb. Have you heard? U.S. farm-raised lamb. Farm-raised lamb, #1 ingredient. And they're naturally smoked. So here is the product. I didn't show you the front of the other one, did I? Well, let me get that in a second. I will give Ruger another treat. Sit. High five. Oh, nice work. Good boy, buddy. So there's the wakey loops. That's the front of the package on that one. And I didn't show you the actual treat itself. I'm getting better at this, but I'm still not awesome. So that's what the treats look like. They're like little crunchy donuts. You don't want that one, do you? All right. No tricks for that one. And then we've got, this is pork stick recipe. Do you want a pork stick? Do you want it? Are you sure? You don't have to have it if you don't want it. Pork stick recipe. Oh boy, Ruger. Hey, all right. Sit down. Stay right there. You stay right there. Whoa, wait. Okay, you can get it. Good boy. He was poised with one leg up. So while he eats that bigger treat, I'm going to take a look at, so they had the Madagascar Unleashed for the Super Chewer when Walker was here, and that was a really good one, especially for Walker. He didn't destroy those toys. So there's all sorts of different information on the different things in there. And we have 2 of the soft toys for our soft chewing boy. And I'm going to get the tags off, but we've got a lemur. This is adorable. He's got a tail, and he crunches. Oh, and he squeaks. Ruger, what is it? Do you want the toy? Oh, there you go. See if he's going to figure out how to make that thing squeak. There we go. We'll be listening to that all day. Oh boy, what do you have? Okay, another. Let me see what else there is, Mom. And then this one was, I ripped the tag off. Whoops. No, that's not for you, buddy. This is the Leilena lemur. That doesn't look like, that looks like maybe I have the wrong one. Tahiri Tenric. I don't know what that says. I'm assuming that's what this is, but here's the toy. It kind of looks like a black and yellow possum. Ruger, what's this? Oh. Ready? Should we throw it? Whoop, he'll bring it back. You gonna bring it over here to me? Oh boy. Well, there we go. That's our BarkBox for the month. BarkBoxes, this particular box runs about $26. If you use the link I put down below, I believe it's a link, it'll be in the drop-down box, and you get a BarkBox for yourself. I can't remember if you get a discount. look down there for the instructions, but it will also get Ruger a free box the next time if you use our link. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch our video. Ruger's looking for more. That's it, buddy. I think he wants treats. Are you ready to get more treats? We really appreciate you watching. If you could take just a second, give us a thumbs up. That would be great. If you enjoy unboxings, please hit the subscribe button and comment down below. Love the comments, and I always answer them. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Oh, that's the big one. You don't like that, do you? You're not as excitable as your brother. Well, now he's your nephew. Was. Okay, you ready? Come here. Come here. Come here. Well, turn around. He's like, why would I do that? All right, well. You're a silly boy.